We run specific workshops to support students in finding an internship and completing their internship. Specific topics include job searching, job application writing, interviewing skills, and navigating the Australian workplace and culture once you land the role.
So the Jobs on Campus program has really helped me through the years gain different roles and get all these different experiences and build invaluable skills, grow my network.
There was this express workshop for both resumes and cover letter, and then there was the master class as well. My resume became a lot better, and I always look back on different versions of my resume, and I was so proud, and I can see my progress in it.
Make the time to explore the website, find out about all these different services, talk to your peers, and make the best use of your time at RMIT while you are a student, because you can study, get some experience, grow your network, and build your skills that is going to make you so much more employable to land that dream role in your industry.
In the long run, it helped me figure out who I was, and it helped me realize what I'm good at, what I want to be. I hope it does the same for you.